everyone, welcome back to Birdbrain Gaming. Today I'm opening 3 packages from PlayAsia. They're all Switch games and they're all exclusive on the PlayAsia website. So let's take a look and see what's inside. Alright, here are the 3 packages. We'll start with this one on top. Alright, what do we have in here? We have for our first game Final Fantasy XII, the Zodiac Age. This one is one of my favorite Final Fantasies, this one and Part 8. So this is the standard European edition. Let's open this one up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have some inner artwork. We have, looks like there's a code on the front. I'm not going to flip it over. Limited warranty, etc. We have the game cartridge. The inner artwork is nice. Got the cast of characters, the main cast. It's like an airship here. Oh, that's cool. Definitely gonna get back into playing this one. I already beat this game on the PS1, but it's nice to have it for the Switch. Oh, this is a reversible cover. Okay, that's cool.
My engines are hit. She'll not hold much longer.
We receive you, Tomberry. You've leave to retire. Well fought.
My thanks, Antlion. Tomberry disengaging.
Alright, now that we got this one out the way, let's check out the main trilogy that I ordered. Alright, our first game for this trilogy. This one is Hyperdimension Neptunia Rebirth 1. So this is exclusive to East Asia Soft. It's a limited edition.
Yikes! Don't surprise me like that! What? Right! Finally! There! That was easy! I'll win again next time! Level up! Yay! Praise me! down, huh? Prepare yourself! My turn! Gonna hit ya! Where's the patient? Heal time! I can't wait! Heal time! Leave it to me! This! Level... Hey! It was all bling!
The print for this game has stopped. I have number 1822 of this print. Comes with a sticker as always. Experience the first Neptunia game in its definitive form. This edition includes the game, numbered certificate, original soundtrack, acrylic standees, sticker set, mini case, and art book. This one-player game is by East Asia Soft. So this is a cool one. I actually never played any of the Hyperdimension Neptunia games, so I'll check into this and see what it's about. It does come with a sticker inside. Let's open this sleeve up so I can see the box a little bit better.
Time to get it on! It's Venom Festival!
So, who wants to get beaten
This
first?
isn't over yet!
I can't wait! It's time for treatment!
Who wants to take me on? I'm not done! Venom Festival!
So, who wants to get beaten first? If you're hurt, leave it to me!
This isn't over yet! It's my turn! I won't lose! Venom Festival!
So, who wants to get beaten first? Where's the patient? It's time for your medicine!
I'll finish this! I'm not done! Paralyzed!
Leave it to me!
I'm not done!
If you're hurt, leave it to me! It's time for your medicine!
Who wants to take me on? I'm not done! Paralyzed!
So, who wants
This
to get
isn't
beaten
over.
first?
This isn't like me!
Compared to that 10,000th floor last tower, this is a bit better, I guess.
Here's our little mini sticker. That's pretty cool. And here's our game. For the time being, I'm going to leave them sealed. Maybe I'll just get a digital edition of the game, or if I'm ever ready to start playing them in the future, because I do have a backlog of many Switch games that I need to play first. As I said, when I'm ready, I'll open these up and I'll make a video of what's inside. But I will post a picture of the included contents of the box for all three of the games. But this is a nice one though. Alright, let's open up the next Play Asia package. Alright, our next package. Okay, and we have Hyperdimension, Neptunia Rebirth 2, Sisters Generation. And another Playsure sticker.
Success! Leave it to me! Out of my way! I got you!
Turn!
I'll do my best! Here I come! Yeah! Please prepare yourself! I can't wait! It's time for your medicine! Sorry. So, stop it! Who wants to get beaten first? Right! Right! You're hurt. Leave it to me. This may hurt a bit. Hey! This may hurt a bit. Who should I play with? Take this! Take this! I'll do my best! There! Take this! We somehow won!
this one out of the sleeve. This one is numbered 1509. I think they were limited to, I'm not sure, you could quote me on this. They were limited to 3,000 prints. I'll have to double check, but if you know, just leave a comment down below. Just gonna take it out of the sleeve so I can get a better look. Here's our sticker, East Asia Soft exclusive, and our game. Cool. They always make good quality things. Lead the goddesses and their sisters to reclaim Gammon Industry. This edition includes the game, numbered certificate, original soundtrack, acrylic standees, sticker set, mini case, and art book. One player game. That is awesome.
Multiple beam launcher! Not bad! So, giant tornado! Don't worry! Can't wait! So, let's see. That didn't hurt. I can please. Oh, just stay down. It's my turn. Out of my way! Right! This is nothing! Soul combination! My turn! That hurt a little. This is nothing. Not bad. Wait. Wonder what'll happen next. I need to be as good as my sister. Yeah! Oh, yeah! This is nothing. My sonic breath. I can't wait, Mew. Here I go. Makara beam. It's not over yet. Prepare yourself.
Alrighty, and let's open up our final package for the video. And our final package. Okay. Oh, he finally gave us a different sticker. And our last game, Hyperdimension, Neptunia, Rebirth 3, V Generation. Let's take this one off the sleeve so I can get a better look. There's our sticker. Here's our cover.
Oh no! What should we do? Please stop! I need to calm myself. Please hit! Please hit! Yes! Why can't it always be my turn? Yeah! 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 I'll nip your face! Here you go! I'm sorry. There! There! I did it! We somehow won!
Very nicely done. So this one is a lower print number. It's 0505. One player game. Find a way to return home from an alternate dimension. This edition includes essentially the same as the first two: the game, numbered certificate, original soundtrack, acrylic standees, sticker set, mini case, and art book.
I'm fine. Hi-ya! Here you go! Hi-ya! Hi-ya! Yeah! Chest buster! Wah! Wah! Here you go! It's 1 kajillion times infinity years. Just as planned. Hi-ya! Chest buster! It's all over. Finally! Yeah! Just bye-bye! Here you go! Chest buster! A complete and utter victory!
Okay, so there you have it. My Play Asia deliveries. This was for Final Fantasy XII, the Zodiac Age, and the first trilogy from East Asia Soft of Hyperdimension Neptunia. Part 1, The Rebirth. Part 2, Sisters Generation. And Part 3, V Generation. These are all limited editions. If you're trying to look for these on Play Asia, I don't know if there are any left of Rebirth 3 or if sales have closed. But I know 1 and 2 are done. So if you're looking for them, your best bet is eBay or local game store or GameStop or anything like that. So if you enjoy this content, smash that like, subscribe, and bell notification buttons for alerts. And I'll see you all next time on Bird Brain Gaming. Later, everyone.